Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing the Xiaomi Redmi K80 Pro and Xiaomi 15 Pro. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two phones come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. Redmi K80 Pro comes with 6.67 inches OLED display, and the Xiaomi 15 Pro comes with 6.73 inches LTPO AMOLED display. Hardware features. Both two devices are powered by the Snapdragon chipset and have the same hardware features. When it comes to the camera features, they offer 3 rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. Both phones include 5G connectivity, studio speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.